Hi guys, just a quick video that I wanted to do a while ago. I already did it on my IT channel in my native language, which is probably linked down below with the Blue Wave Design channel. But I want to do this in English as well because there's this myth that has been going on for a lot, actually. I think over a decade, which is that computers consume an awful amount of powers, like, up to 1,000 watts or even over that, which is total bullshit. It's just marketing from power supply manufacturers. I don't know if this was a thing where you live, but here back in the 90s and the early 2000s, you had those stereos, those cassette players, CD players, whatever, in the somewhere around the city market, different people selling them, probably getting them from China or wherever they came from, and the usual tiny, like 2-watt speaker that you would find, I don't know, on a telephone speaker or something, and they had those stickers with 5,000 watts on them, and they were the size of, like, this odorizer here, 5,000 watts, 10,000 watts, 300,000 watts of pure audio power. And of course, it was like a maximum of 5 watts at most, the best of them. So, I have my computer here connected through a watt meter. You can see it's at 1.4 watts right now. That's just the standby consumption of the power supply, because it obviously needs some kind of powered circuit to detect when the power button is pressed. By the way, I said in the Facebook reply and in my native language video that I had, that time when I measured it, I had other things connected as well. This is just the PC now, so I'm just gonna turn it on. By the way, it's in a closet because I don't like the noise that fans make, so I have the cables run through the wall and just towards the desk there. So this is just the normal power up. You can see 85 watts, 99, 110. It's still working now. You can see the drive light is still on. I'm gonna give it a bit of time so it finishes the boot process. And it should be okay now. 56, 59, 64, 69, 73. Still doing something. Okay. Let's see if it levels and. Okay, so 55 watts seems to be the idle power consumption. Yeah, you can see it does something and it goes back to 55. Let's say something between 55 and 70. Okay. That's just... Whoops. I hit the door with my camera. So that is just idle, and now let's see if I still have my Prime 95. Of course, I'm just gonna run one instance of it because that's enough. It opens on a different screen. I'm gonna actually check if I still have Furmark. Yep, it's all here. So we have Prime 95 here, and I'm gonna start it right now. And we can see that it's working if we open up a task manager and we see this thing. It's 100% CPU Prime 95 application. Here we have the Fairmark GPU stress test 1920 1080 maximum anti-aliasing. Let's go. GPU stress, don't display any message because I don't care, and go. This is what Fairmark says. GPU usage 99%. Temperature will go up, and we can see the GPU here maximum out at 100% as well for Fairmark. So CPU 100%, GPU 100%. You know, one thing that I can do, 55, wow, 55.5 gigabytes free on both. That's weird. Let's see. I'm gonna start copying something, you know, maybe something a bit larger. Eve. How large is Eve? Not necessarily large, but I need a lot of files. Okay, over 3,000 files. That should last long enough. So all of these are different physical drives. C is my SSD, and the rest of them are normal hard drives. I'm just gonna paste it here. It started copying. So there's also some disk activity. Let's see what the watt meter says. How many thousands of watts do you think we will see here? Ta-da! 182 watts. 184. 180. This being the entire computer. So no, my friends, no. Not even 500 is a thing. Let alone 800, 1000 watts, 1500 watts. So there you go. Solid proof that power supply requirements at the order of hundreds and thousands of watts is just pure marketing bullshit. This is the most that this computer will ever draw from the power socket. Yeah, there's no such thing. There's no such thing. I yet have to see a computer that goes above 300 watts in my house. So that was never a thing. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.